Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to sell digital products on Stan Store. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to your browser and now search for stan.store, and now just create an account for free. Now here you get the option to select the content niche you will be most related with. So just choose the niche that your brand is about. Now you will be landed on the dashboard. Now over here, the first step you'll have to do is to make sure to create a good profile. So what you will have to do is to add your profile picture, add your socials, create your first product, and set up your direct deposit. So click on add profile picture, and now in here choose any picture from your phone or your laptop. Now click on add social links, and now here you can add your bio and your other socials. Now if you want to skip any of these, just click on my store on the left hand side and you will do them later. Now in here just go to landing pages and click on create a landing page. Now here it will show you the type of products that you can sell. So just choose the category that your product is about. Now first of all you can choose an image that you would like to put on the cover. The second step you'll have to do is to write a description for your product. Now to create images for your digital product, go to Canva and make an account, and now go to create a design and go into 1920 by 1080. Now under design you can choose any template, so just click on digital product. Now we can choose any of these templates over here. Now just download this as a PNG file and bring it over there. Now here you can put a bottom title and also a call to action button. Here you can also set the price of your product. Also you can use a collect info. Now right at the bottom you'll see a publish sign. Once you click on publish, now this will create the landing page, and now once you go into edit design, you can edit design and it will show you how you want it. Now if you choose any one of these, just click on save at the bottom and it will look like that. Now to edit product, just select the images. Now you will be able to see a digital product on your website. Now the rest of the editing will be done in the edit design section, where you can change everything you like. Now to add a payment method, go to settings on the left hand side and now go into payments, and now you can either choose Stripe or PayPal. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.